Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing app. And in this video, I will show you how to export your video without CapCut watermark being displayed on your video, like the one you have up right here. How can you remove it when you are exporting your video in CapCut without any stress? Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here, before you click on Export tab right here, what you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on AI UHD, click on that, and it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is that you need to make sure you set your resolution to be 1080 pixels. Then you have to set your frame rate. So I'm going to set my frame rate to be 30% right here, just like so. Then my bit rate, I'm going to make it 20 to improve the audio quality. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on here, CapCut. So click on that. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on hidden right here. Once you click on hidden, then the logo is going to be disappear. Then you can go back. So next thing we want to do right here, you can see none right here. Next thing you want to do right here is go ahead and hit on Export tab right here. So at the count of 1, 2, 3 goes, and the exporting the video in this resolution right here, just like what you see right here. Just allow the video to export completely. Then when you play your video, you'll find out that the CapCut logo was not displayed overlay on your video without any stress. Successfully export. Now let's go ahead and play the video right here. Now you can start talking and it's going to, you can see it started. So I'm going to go ahead to my gallery right here and play the video in full. My video, just like so. Click on all my videos right here. Then we have CapCut export right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the video. Start talking and it's going to, you can see it started recording you can see right here, it started recording the voice right here. So you can begin to talk about the video all over and over, and then everything is going to. So just like what you see right here, you can see that the CapCut logo is not overlay right here on the video. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to use CapCut video editing app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.